how you can start streaming on Twitch app on iPhone. So first thing first, let's open the Twitch app, and once you open it, you will be able to see the interface on the screen. So you can see there is plus icon at the bottom of this homepage. So just tap on that plus icon, and once you tap on it, you can see there is two options in here. So first one is stream games and another one is stream IRL. So if you want to stream your gaming, then simply tap on stream games, and once you tap on it, you can see there are lots of options to stream your games. So that simply select your preferred one and simply tap on next, and yeah, you need to confirm and fulfill few more formalities, and you will be able to stream on Twitch successfully. So let me get back for now and let me show you another option. So if you wanna to stream live, then simply tap on stream IRL, and you need to simply enable your microphone and camera, and afterward you will be able to stream live on Twitch successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to start streaming on Twitch on your iPhone. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.